Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study about gaseous exchange in humans, or respiratory system in humans. So, what is gaseous exchange? Gaseous exchange is the exchange of deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood in the lungs. So, from where this oxygen comes into the lungs, we all know that oxygen is present in air and we breathe in this air through our nose. Then it passes through different body parts, like phyrnx, lyrnx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and reaches into the lungs, and give oxygen to alveoli. And alveoli exchange the oxygenated blood into the oxygenated blood. Let's discuss this process in detail. So, air enters into the nasal cavity. If we see external structure of our nose, we see that there are two openings which are called nostrils, through which air enters into the nasal cavity. Nose encloses the nasal cavity, and this nasal cavity is divided into two portions by a wall. Each portion contains hair and mucus. So, what are their function? Hair filter dust particles from the air and clean the air, and mucus moistens air and equal its temperature to our normal body temperature. Then air enters into the phyrnx. So what is phyrnx? Phyrnx is a muscular opening common for both food and air. In this way, it works for both digestive system and respiratory system. When food enters into the phyrnx, it pushes it into the esophagus. In this way, it works as digestive system. And when air enters into the phyrnx, it pushes air into the lyrnx. In this way, it works as respiratory system. So, what is lyrnx? Lyrnx is also called voice box. When air enters into the lyrnx, it vibrates vocal cords which are present into the lyrnx and thus produce voice. Then air enters into the trachea. Trachea is the C-shaped cartilaginous plates. When trachea enters into the chest cavity, it divided into smaller tubes called bronchi. Bronchi of each side. When enters into the lungs, it divides further and make bronchioles. Bronchioles ends as fine tubes called alveolar duct. Each alveolar duct opens into cluster of pouches called alveoli. Alveoli are the respiratory surfaces in humans. These alveoli are covered by the capillaries, and these capillaries take oxygen from air. Now pulmonary vein containing deoxygenated blood enters into the lungs, and branches into arterioles and into capillaries which surrounds the alveoli. And at this point deoxygenated blood is converted into the oxygenated blood. Then pulmonary vein containing oxygenated blood enters into the heart, and this blood is transported to all body parts. And in this way this process keeps continue. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more informative video.